Good morning! Hello, my little learners! Welcome to our grammar review. Are you ready? Let's get started! Let's review. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. It can name a person, like a teacher, and a vet. A noun is a place, like a post office. A thing, like a ball. An animal, like a dog. So remember, a noun is a naming word that names a person, animal, place, or thing. Now let's review the singular and plural nouns. Remember, singular means one. Only one person, animal, place, or thing. And plural means more than one. In some nouns, we can add the magic S at the end to make them plural. Like toy, toys. Car, cars. Notebook, notebooks. Perfect. Some plural nouns are irregular plurals. They change completely. Let's see some examples. Here we have a mouse. Mouse. It's a singular noun. Mice, it's a plural noun. Mouse, mice. Mouse, mice. Very good. Woman, the plural of woman. Woman. Woman, woman. Let's repeat. Woman, woman. Great. Look, here we have a singular noun. Foot, foot. Feet, plural noun. Feet. Foot, feet. Foot, feet. Let's repeat. Foot, feet. Child, child. The plural noun. Children, children. Child, children. Child, children. Good job. Now we have a man, man, man. Man, man. Let's repeat. Man, man. Singular, plural. We have a person, person, person. Singular, plural. People, people. I see many people. Let's repeat. Person, people. Person, people. Singular, plural. Okay, now it's time to read. Let's read some numbers. Here we go. 1, 6, 5, 2, 3, perfect. 4, 7, 8, well done. 10, and 9. It was so easy, right? Easy peasy. Very good, boys and girls. You are amazing. Good job.